Hey freelancers, so do you want to showcase your skills and start landing high-paying clients, but you don't know where to proceed? Well, welcome to this tutorial because I'm going to be showing you how to create an Upwork account in a few minutes. It's simple and it's free. The only thing I would want you to do right now is to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So let's begin.
If you already have an account with Upwork, you can just click on the login and then fill in your email address and password. But if you know you have no account and you're just finding out for the first time, you should hit the sign up button. So let's do that right away. Okay, so when you hit the sign up button, you can either sign up as a client looking for freelancers to hire, or you can sign up as a freelancer looking for work. So let's say you are a freelancer and you want to be hired. So this is what you should click, and then apply as a freelancer. So when you click on that, this form will open. You can either continue with your Apple information or with your Google information. You can see I have my Google email here. If you click on this, you don't have to fill in this form. It will take you straight to the next step. But let's assume you want to fill in the form manually with another email. So here you enter your first name and last name. So let's just pick it. Let's just say Natash Naps, for instance. Then you put in your email, put in your password. Just make sure it is a strong password, not less than 8 characters. Select your country, and I usually tick these boxes, so you should do the same. And then you can create an account. Okay, so let's wait for that so a little bit. Yes, so congratulations, your account has been created. Let's get you started. So usually you will be asked to verify your email address to continue. So let's go back to the email and check if there was an email from Upwork. So yes, there is an email from Upwork. So you want to click on that and then click on the verify email to get you started. Good, your account is verified. So let's begin. Okay, so to get started, you should answer these questions. They're not really required, but I would love you to answer them. So let's get started. Okay, so first, have you freelanced before? If you're new, you should click this. If you have some experience, you should click the second one. And if you're an expert, you should click this. So let's say I have some experience. You can, like I mentioned earlier, you can skip, but we're answering this, just for answering sake. So you click next. Okay, so what's your goal for freelancing? To earn my income, and whichever one you want to pick. So let's just start the first one, to earn my income. Next. Okay, and how would you like to work? So you can select multiple preferences. I'd like to find opportunities for myself, package up my work, open to contracts or high opportunities. Yeah. So next, you create your profile. Okay, so in this section, you can either import your profile from LinkedIn, you can upload your resume, or fill out your profile manually. It usually takes 15 minutes. So let's just go to this manual part. So in this part, you select your the kind of work you're here to do. So let's say you want to do content writing, you go to writing, and then you pick a specialty. So you're told to select 1 to 3 specialties. So let's say I'm content writing. You can leave it at this, or if you don't want it, you can select another one. So let's say content writing, and I want to add editing and proofreading services. Next. Okay, so here you can add your skills. So you have been given suggested skills. So you can just click on this. So you can click on as many as you want, but remember, you've been told that the maximum number of skills you can add is 15. So let's add more. Reading. So let's add academic writing. Okay, sorry, that was a mistake. Yeah, academic writing. Let's also add recall writing. Yeah. So when you're done, you can hit next. Okay, so this is the part where you tell Upwork your professional role. So that's put in content writing. And then next, you add your experiences. Okay, so if you have no experience, you can just skip this. But let's assume you have an experience. Hit the plus and then you fill in the form. Okay, so it's recommended that you start from your current work experience. So let's say my current work experience is a content writer. Content writer. Okay, so here you can put in the company or the name of the person you're currently working with. So let's say the name of the person I'm working with is CBS Prakash. So if you don't know the location, you can just put in remote. But let's say you know the location, you can put Mumbai. And then country, just put India. So remember, if this is your current position, you want to tick this box. When you do, you don't have to fill in your end date, but you definitely put in your start date. But if you uncheck this box, you have to put in your start and your end date. So since I'm currently working here, I'll just put in my start date. So let's say I started January 2023 and then I click save. So if you want to delete, you can do this to delete. If you want to edit, change your date, change any other thing, you can click this. If you want to add another work experience, then you can click this button and you have to fill the form again. So when you're done, just go straight to your education section. If you have no education, no problem, you can skip. But let's assume you want to add education, hit the plus button and then you can fill in your school details. My school is I'm Rosali University. Degree is bachelor's degree. Field of study, business administration. Okay, so I started 2019. So if you haven't graduated, you can just put your expected graduation date. But let's say I graduated 2023. I'll just put that there. And description. So this is where you can enter your grade level. For instance, 4.0 CGPA, which is second class upper. And you can put in your project title or any other position you held when you were in school. When you're done, you can click save. And remember, you can also delete or edit, or you can add another education. When you're done, let's click next to see what else we have. Okay, so here you want to enter your languages. So by default, it's in English. And now you need to select your proficiency level. So let's say I'm fluent. So if you want to add another language, you select add a language. Then next, you write an overview, a short bio of yourself. So this is where you include what work you do and, try to keep it brief and clear. So when you look at the right-hand side, you see this is a sample of someone's bio by Matt G. 5.0 star rating. This is his price per hour and he has submitted 14 jobs. So you can decide to, follow his format. You can decide to write something unique. It doesn't matter. What matters is it's a bio, it's short, and it's straight to the point. So let's put it something. Let's say I'm an expert content writer with knowledge of Google Workspace and Microsoft Office tools. I have a 5 years experience in creating SEO friendly articles. I also have a typing speed of 70 words per minute. I possess good communication and adhere to deadlines. If you hire me, I will help you with document processing, graphic design. Remember, this is just the templates, editing, and proofreading, as many as you want to put in there. So you're done. Click next. Okay, so next you want to set your hourly rate. So this is what your clients will see when they want to hire you. So how much do you want to be paid per hour? You can set this to, okay, so there's a caution here. You want to enter a value between $3 and $999. So let's say you want to be paid $10 per hour. So just put in $10 per hour. Next is the service fee. So this is what Upwork charges for every money your client pays you. Okay, so they will charge you 1% for every $10 paid into your account. So that means for every $10, you're going to receive $9 per hour. If you know you're okay with this, and then you can just hit next. Okay, so here you continue to put your profile, you put your days of birth. So let me just put something. For the as you know, I was born in 1993, February 10. Country, Nigeria. My street address, let me say 16 on streets. But what they is Edo State. This is completely optional. It's fine. I'm going to put your phone number, so we just put something there, but just make sure your phone number is functional because you may use it for, verification purpose. So next is your photo. You want to make sure your photo fits the size, 250 by 250, and it's the maximum of 5 MB. So I'll click this box. I have a photo in my desktop. I'm just going to use any photo, but of course, if you want to create a profile on Upwork, you need to make sure your photo is a professional one. Okay, so make sure your face is visible. But just for the purpose of creating the accounts, I just want to show you how to go about it. So select the photo you have in your desktop or in whichever folder you have it. Open. Yeah. So here you can, move your photo around. You can zoom in and out. You can rotate. And then you can even delete current image and put in another one. So when you know you're done with this, just attach photo. Let's see. Great. Okay, so next you want to review your profile. Okay, so yes. So this is where you just ensure everything you've written so far, they are intact. So remember, you can always edit if you want to check or correct something. Even after your review, your profile has been submitted, you can also do some editing. So let's say once in the profile. Good, your profile is ready. Now you need connects to bid on jobs. So I mentioned this in one of my videos that, Upwork gives 10 connects every month, free of charge for you to bid for jobs. Okay, so you can check that with your ads. Okay, so I think this is it. So watch out for my next videos because I'm going to be showing you how to bid for jobs, how to create compelling proposals, and how to create projects on Upwork, and how to, just to navigate through the website.
Okay, so there you have it. After setting up your profile, you can start applying for jobs. Watch out for my subsequent videos because I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on how to bid for jobs and how to create compelling proposals that of course will land you your first job in a matter of time, a short period of time. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel and by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.